Real quickly before UFC 319 goes off, I just want to say there's no doubt in my mind that Dricus is going to win. He's the most underrated fighter in the UFC. Everybody tune in Saturday to see that I'm right. And for the rest of these fights, Kaya Sakura gets it done with a KO. Michael Venom Page is going to get his first KO in the UFC. Carlos Prates is going to get a KO. Leron Murphy is going to win by decision. And Dricus, I'm going to say TKO in round 4. But yeah, I'm most definitely right. Stay tuned